First up in the Rally Cars Showdown is the 2008 Lancia Evolution. The Lancia crosses the line in 14.09 seconds, setting the time to beat. Next up is the Lancia Delta Integale. The Lancia Delta crosses the line in second in a time of 14.48 seconds. Next up is the Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza crosses the line in second in a time of 14.27 seconds. Next up is the 2008 Ford Focus. The Ford Focus crosses the line in third in a time of 14.29 seconds. Next up is the 1984 Audi Sport Quattro. The Audi crosses the line in fifth in a time of 15.27 seconds. Next up is the 1970 Ford Escort. The Ford Escort crosses the line in first, setting a new fast time.